Hey, crypto fam. Did you know global sanctions could be the secret fuel behind Bitcoin's next big rally? I'm Carson from BitGalactic, your crypto guide with 10 years in the game. Today, we're diving into why countries like Russia are turning to Bitcoin to dodge sanctions and what it means for your portfolio. Stick around for a bold prediction that'll blow your mind. Let's jump in. Here's the deal. Western sanctions, especially on countries like Russia and Venezuela, are shaking up global trade. A report from VanEck dropped this week, and their analysts, Sigel and his team, pointed out something huge. Nations under sanctions are using Bitcoin to bypass restrictions. Russia's trading oil with China and India using crypto, and Venezuela's state oil company is doing the same to dodge U.S. sanctions. Why? Bitcoin's decentralized, borderless, and doesn't care about politics. It's the ultimate workaround. But here's my take, as someone who's watched crypto evolve since 2015. This isn't just a workaround, it's a paradigm shift. Sanctions have exposed the cracks in the traditional financial system, and Bitcoin's stepping in as a neutral player. Data backs this up. In 2024, Chainalysis reported a 300% spike in crypto transactions linked to sanctioned countries. That's not noise. That's a trend. Now let's zoom out. The crypto market's been rough lately. VanEck noted an $800 billion wipeout since January 2025, partly tied to Trump's tariffs hitting 90 countries. Meme coins, down 93% in Q1. Even the S&P 500's taken a 6.6% hit. But Bitcoin, it's showing signs of breaking free. In April, it briefly decoupled from stocks, acting more like a safe haven than a risk-on asset. This reminds me of 2019, when the US-China trade wars pushed early adopters to Bitcoin as a hedge. Back then, BTC jumped 200% in 6 months. Could we see a repeat? The setup's eerily similar. Geopolitical tension, distrust in fiat, and Bitcoin as the escape hatch. My gut says we're on the cusp of something big. Here's where it gets juicy. BlackRock, with $11.5 trillion under management, calls Bitcoin a global monetary alternative. No counterparty risk, no country-specific baggage. VanEck agrees, saying Bitcoin's decoupling from stocks is just the start. My take? By 2027, we could see 10 to 15% of global trade settled in Bitcoin, especially in sanctioned regions. But there's a catch: volatility. If tariffs and sanctions keep piling on, Bitcoin's price could swing wildly before stabilizing. My prediction: BTC hits $120,000 by mid-2026, fueled by this sanctions-driven adoption. Sound crazy? Let me know your price target in the comments. All right, crypto fam, I want to hear from you. Will Bitcoin become the go-to for global trade, or is this just hype? Drop your thoughts below and tell me, are you hodling or trading this sanctions wave? Smash that like button if you're bullish on BTC. That's a wrap, fam. If you love this deep dive, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for weekly crypto insights from yours truly. Check out my last video on meme coin crashes for more market tea. Stay galactic, and I'll see you in the next one.